Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am cooking beetroot. So this is a beetroot recipe. Beetroot reminds me of my African yam. It's just a little different. Guys, I start first by cutting this beetroot. Cutting it doesn't take much, but you have to add some strength to your hands. It's actually not so tender, so cutting it will take you some energy, but an adult can do this without stress. So I cut it, and I am also looking at the color. Look at my hands, guys. I actually love that the color is red, and you can also use this beetroot juice or extract for food color. It's also a healthy food color, and using it as a food color, you are sure of what you've added to your pastry or your food. Just red, you can use it for a red velvet cake, and it is so nice and healthy. Look at it. As for the color, just running my hands under water, the red color goes off. If you are so worried when you're doing this, you can add some lemons to your hands, lemon juice, wash your hands, and your hands are sparkly as ever. I am cutting the beetroot now. Like I said, it reminds me of yam, the white African yam. I'm done cutting. I transfer it to a pot, and I add some curry and clove with some garlic powder. This is garlic powder. The white substance is garlic powder. I also add some water. This water, I didn't measure it. I just used my discretion, and I just added water. I cover it, transfer it to the stove, and I cook it for 20 minutes. In about 20 minutes, I run a test on it to check if it is ready. It is tender, and that shows me that it is ready, or that tells me that it is ready. I run a knife through it, and it is all good. I said earlier, beetroot will make a good food color. I think it is worth trying out. Then I have some leftover chicken curry. This is what I will serve the beetroot with. The beetroot tastes sweet on its own. You need to have a taste of it. If you haven't, it's just like a sweet yam. Like I said, it reminds me so much of the African white yam. This is what we have, guys. Will you be trying this recipe? Will you be trying beetroot? Please like this video, comment, and share. Also subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more food content, and do have a beautiful day.